Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to insert a checkbox into a Google Sheets cell. Alright, so if you want to use checkboxes in your Google Sheets spreadsheets, it's really easy to add checkboxes or insert checkboxes into Google Sheets cells. And all you have to do is basically select the cell you want to insert the checkbox in. Then once you selected the cells, just click on Insert here and click on Insert in the menu bar. And then you're gonna see checkbox here, and as you can see the checkbox has been inserted, and we can use our mouse to check the check mark or uncheck the check mark. If you want to insert multiple checkboxes to a spreadsheet, just select multiple cells, then click on Insert, and you're gonna be able to click on checkboxes again, and as you can see we have added multiple checkboxes into Google Sheets cells. So now this is how to insert checkbox into a Google Sheets cell. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.